Welcome to our deep dive into the world of automotive excellence, where today we're spotlighting a critical component under the hood that could make or break your vehicle's performance: the ignition coil. If you've ever faced engine misfires, poor fuel economy, or a lack of power, then you know the importance of a high-quality ignition coil. We'll explore the 7 best ignition coils on the market, designed to boost your vehicle's efficiency, power, and overall performance. Stay tuned as we help you navigate through these top picks to ensure your ride runs smoother than ever before. Number 1. Ford Lincoln Mercury V8 Ignition Coil Pack Set. This set is specifically designed for the V8 engines found in Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles, offering a direct replacement that promises to restore your engine's performance to its original glory. The design of these coil packs is robust, featuring high-quality materials that ensure durability and reliability. Users will appreciate the seamless installation process, as these coil packs fit perfectly without any modifications needed. The quality of the Ford Lincoln Mercury set is top-notch, with each coil pack built to provide a strong and consistent spark, ensuring efficient fuel combustion and improved overall performance. The durability is evident in the coil's construction, designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the engine compartment. Users have reported a noticeable improvement in horsepower, smoother idling, and reduced emissions, making this set a fantastic choice for those looking to solve common ignition-related problems. Usability and effectiveness come hand in hand with this product. It's not just about the easy installation, it's about the immediate impact it has on your vehicle's performance. From eliminating misfires to enhancing fuel efficiency, this ignition coil pack set delivers on its promises. It's an essential upgrade for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's engine in peak condition. In number 2, BMW 6-pack Ignition Coil Replacement by Bosch. This set is engineered to meet the exacting standards of BMW vehicles, ensuring compatibility and performance that rivals OEM parts. The Bosch coils are renowned for their exceptional design, incorporating advanced technology that optimizes spark energy for improved combustion efficiency. This not only enhances performance but also contributes to better fuel economy. The quality of the Bosch ignition coils is evident in their construction, utilizing high-grade materials that are designed to last. The durability is a key feature, with the coils capable of operating under extreme temperatures and conditions without faltering. BMW owners will find these coils to be a worthy investment, offering a significant upgrade over standard coils, with reports of smoother engine operation and increased responsiveness. Usability is a standout feature of the Bosch coils, with an installation process that is straightforward and hassle-free. The immediate improvement in engine startup, reduced misfires, and smoother acceleration make these coils a must-have for BMW enthusiasts. Their effectiveness in restoring engine performance is unmatched, making the Bosch 6-pack ignition coil replacement a top choice for drivers seeking reliability and enhanced vehicle operation. Number 3. Denso 673-1309 Ignition Coil Single is a standout product for those who require precision and quality. Denso, a leading manufacturer in the automotive industry, offers this ignition coil that is known for its superior design and engineering. The coil is made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. Its compact design allows for easy installation, making it a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The quality of Denso's ignition coil is reflected in its performance. It provides a strong and consistent spark, ensuring efficient fuel combustion and improved engine performance. Users have reported a noticeable difference in acceleration and fuel efficiency, highlighting the coil's effectiveness in enhancing vehicle operation. The coil's durability is also a significant advantage, withstanding the rigors of daily use without degradation. Usability and effectiveness are at the forefront of the Denso ignition coil's design. It's engineered to fit perfectly, requiring no modifications for installation. This ease of use, combined with the immediate improvement in engine response and efficiency, makes the Denso 673-1309 Ignition Coil Single a fantastic option for those looking to upgrade their vehicle's ignition system with minimal fuss. Number 4. Delphi GN 10328 Ignition Coil. Delphi is a name synonymous with quality and innovation in the auto parts industry, and this ignition coil is no exception. Designed for a wide range of vehicles, the GN 10328 offers versatility and performance that can breathe new life into your engine. The coil's design focuses on providing a strong and reliable spark, ensuring efficient fuel combustion and improved vehicle performance. The quality of the Delphi ignition coil is apparent in its construction, utilizing premium materials that offer durability and reliability. The coil is designed to perform under the most demanding conditions, ensuring that your vehicle operates smoothly regardless of the environment. Users have praised the coil for its role in enhancing engine performance, noting improvements in acceleration and fuel efficiency. Usability is a significant advantage of the Delphi GN 10328, with an easy installation process that allows vehicle owners to quickly upgrade their ignition system. The coil's effectiveness in reducing misfires and enhancing overall engine operation makes it a valuable addition to any vehicle. For those seeking a reliable and high-performing ignition coil, the Delphi GN 10328 is an excellent choice. Number 5. CarBole Ford V8 High-Performance Coil Pack stands out as a paragon of efficiency and reliability for Ford enthusiasts. This coil pack is engineered with precision to provide an unparalleled ignition solution for V8 engines. The design integrates advanced technology to ensure consistent spark delivery, significantly enhancing engine performance. Its robust construction guarantees durability, making it a wise investment for drivers seeking longevity and resilience. Quality-wise, CarBole has left no stone unturned. The coil pack features premium materials that withstand harsh conditions, ensuring your engine operates smoothly under any circumstance. Usability is another highlight, with easy installation procedures that appeal to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This coil pack not only improves ignition efficiency, but also contributes to better fuel economy and reduced emissions, marking it as an environmentally friendly option. Moreover, the CarBole Ford V8 coil pack's effectiveness in eliminating common ignition-related issues, like misfires and stuttering starts, is commendable. Its specifications cater specifically to Ford V8 engines, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. This coil pack is a testament to CarBole's commitment to excellence, offering a blend of design, quality, and functionality that elevates your driving experience. Number 6. A premium ignition coil pack plugs 6 emerges as a beacon of reliability and performance enhancement. This set is meticulously crafted to meet the exacting standards of V6 engines, providing a seamless fit and exceptional spark generation. The design emphasizes optimal electrical conductivity and heat resistance, ensuring that each spark is potent and precise, which is critical for engine performance and longevity. The quality of the premium coil pack is evident in its construction, which uses high-grade materials to withstand the rigors of daily driving and extreme conditions. This durability translates into a product that Jeep and Dodge owners can rely on for consistent performance over time. Its ease of installation and compatibility with a wide range of V6 models make it a user-friendly upgrade for those looking to enhance their vehicle's ignition system. Furthermore, the premium coil pack stands out for its ability to resolve common vehicular issues such as misfires, rough idling, and power losses. Its effectiveness in improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions underscores its value as a sustainable automotive solution. For drivers seeking a blend of quality, durability, and performance, the premium Jeep Dodge V6 Ignition Coil Pack Plugs 6 is an exemplary choice. Porsche is synonymous with automotive excellence, and their 221,504,800 BMW Mini Ignition Coil is no exception. Designed specifically for BMW Mini engines, this ignition coil embodies precision engineering, ensuring flawless spark delivery for optimal engine performance. Its sleek design not only fits perfectly within the engine bay, but also enhances the overall functionality and efficiency of the ignition system. The hallmark of Bosch quality is evident in every aspect of this coil, from its high-grade materials to its construction, which is engineered to endure the test of time and harsh operating conditions. This durability is a boon for BMW Mini owners, offering peace of mind and reliability. Installation is straightforward, appealing to both seasoned mechanics and enthusiasts looking to upgrade their ignition system with minimal fuss. In terms of performance, the Bosch 221,504,800 800 coil significantly reduces misfires, ensuring smooth engine operation and improved fuel efficiency. Its compatibility with BMW Mini models guarantees a perfect match, making it a top choice for drivers prioritizing manufacturer-grade quality and effectiveness. With Bosch, you're investing in an ignition coil that enhances your vehicle's performance while adhering to the highest standards of quality and innovation. That wraps up our journey through the top 7 ignition coils guaranteed to revolutionize your driving experience. From enhancing engine performance to ensuring durability and reliability, these picks are designed to meet the needs of diverse vehicles and drivers. Remember, the right ignition coil can transform your vehicle's performance, so choose wisely and drive safely.